Okay, so you're either starting to scale or maybe you're an established company, right? You want to start an affiliate program and you need to hire an affiliate manager to handle that. But what should you pay them? It's a common question. It's kind of all over the board. We'll go down into the specifics of the ranges and what you're going to kind of get with those different ranges. Let's dive in. Okay, so when we're talking about how much to pay an affiliate manager, first we need to clarify what is the job role of an affiliate manager, because a lot of people get that wrong right from the get-go, and it sets up the whole program for some friction and failure, to be honest. So the term affiliate manager is actually a discredit to what an affiliate manager should actually be doing. If your affiliate manager, or if your prospective affiliate manager is going to be focusing on admin work, let's say, right? Like getting affiliates swipe files or links or payment information or paying affiliates, things like that. That is technically management work, right? Affiliate manager work, but it's not revenue generating in a big sense, right? It's keeping the wheels going. It's keeping, the wheels greased, whatever you want to call it, right? But it's not work that is bringing in new affiliates. It's not winning traffic from existing affiliates. It's purely just maintenance, right? And that's where people get frustrated oftentimes with their affiliate manager because they think the affiliate manager should be going and winning new affiliates. But what happens is that an affiliate manager becomes like this virtual assistant role for affiliates, and they get bogged down with all this admin work that they're not doing. When we start looking at the ranges of affiliate salaries and kind of structures, it can be all over the board, right? It can be from like mid 30s, like it's like 35K US dollar a year. And then the highest range I kind of see is like low hundreds, right? Let's say 120K-ish for, a base package with comp on top of that for like a superstars. And that's like usually a highly paid affiliate manager is getting that, with ranges from, mid 30s to low hundreds. Now, what you're paying someone is usually indicative of what they're doing for the business, right? If they're purely doing admin work and kind of just getting people assets and just doing work when things fall in their lap, it's probably going to be in that like 30 to 50 range, right? You're going to be paying them a livable wage for their area, but they're probably not incentivized really by the pay or by your job description in most cases to go and win new business and grow traffic. So if you really want someone that's going to come in, hustle for you, and actually get out there and be boots on the ground biz dev work and sales work, which in my opinion is what an affiliate manager should be doing, you're going to be paying them northwards of the 50 to 70K range, right? And typically that's going to have a comp structure on top of that, where they're going to have an earning for the business they're bringing in, right? So if I'm an affiliate manager and I bring in a new affiliate that does X dollars in sales, I'll get Y% commission from that, right? You can cap it, you can put different, bonuses or multipliers on top of that for goals. And, there's lots of ways to structure those, but there should be incentive that drives the main behavior you want from them, which is new affiliates and new traffic from existing affiliates. All right, so where do you want them focusing? If they start getting bogged down with admin work, that's probably another role you need on your team to help support them so they're not doing that. So I'm a salesperson, right? I suck at admin work, right? You do not want me just collecting and just giving information out and just kind of doing tasks like that. I'm best with people, selling, kind of getting people on the platform and things like that. You want the same thing in an affiliate manager. Now, do you need to hire this internally? Right? Not always. There's a lot of options here. You can hire internally, you can bring someone in, you have a lot more control over that, right? Also more overhead. It's a longer process. The hiring and firing phase can get messy if you get the wrong fit. You can lose a lot of time and money and traction with that. So there's other things you can do, right? You can hire an agency to do it. Typically an agency, you're going to be one of many clients, so it's not a bad thing. It's just be aware of that. You're not going to always be top priority for the agency or even for the rep you're working with at the agency. But some benefits of that might be, they have a proven track record. They kind of have the system and processes already in place. They have a Rolodex of affiliates you can tap into and use. Just ways to vet those would be to make sure that they've worked with other clients like you and other offers like yours. So it's not just like a weird fit for them and they're just trying to take you on to get the retainer. And typically, right, you'll be paying, 4 figures a month on a retainer, maybe some commission on top of that for the work they do and bring in. You can also go freelance, right? You can hire is kind of called a JV broker, joint venture broker, in the space oftentimes, which might be like a freelance person, almost acting like an agency, but they're going and just kind of headhunting, right? They're going to have a Rolodex of clients as well, and they're going to go, okay, yep, I've got these clients. I need to get them deals this month. Let me go hit my contacts, and I'm going to be networking. Let me go bring them in and kind of get traffic for them. It's honestly often similar kind of bind you get into with an agency where you might not be top priority until end of the month or something when oh crap, I didn't get them any affiliates, right? I need to get them some traffic. And the true management will still need to happen in-house oftentimes for you to be really happy with that. It might sound like I'm knocking JV brokers. I'm not. They can do a great service for people. I just recognize how to leverage them. But at the key core of the day, what I want you to take away with this is don't let your affiliate manager get bogged down with admin work if what you're really wanting from them is the hustle and bustle of a salesperson, right? In a lot of cases, I see a solopreneur, they are their face, right? They're the best salesperson they could be. So they want to maintain and protect that role, which is fine. Get the admin work off your plate and hire someone to help you, right? So you're not sitting there trying to get people affiliate links and try to get people payment terms and kind of pay affiliates and things like that, right? You want to bring someone in that can actually do it. Leverage a platform like ClickBank, obviously, who can actually take care of a lot of that admin work and actually pay the affiliates for you, handle the tracking and everything like that, and you can kind of remove a lot of that burden, but you'll probably still need an admin person at scale to really kind of help the wheels keep moving. But make sure that your comp package and bonus structure is set up to drive the behavior you want, which I imagine is more sales, more affiliates, and a deeper level of partnership with those affiliates. And last tip here is give this affiliate manager a leash to actually cut and make deals for you. I see that a lot. They'll bring in a top player. They'll be paying, a good salary and commission structure to somebody, but this person has to run everything up the chain to you, the decision maker, which slows everything down, right? Give them the sandbox to play in. Let them know what deals they can cut. Let them know what leash they have to kind of sink their teeth into and really get deals across the table. And let them know, hey, if anything else comes up, then run it up to me. Right? And just check in with them on a regular basis to see how it's going. But let the good people in your business do good work. Don't try to micromanage the all-stars and the A players, right? Let them cut those deals and kind of get excited with the commission structure to really go chase some big stuff. I would love to hear from you. If you're an affiliate manager, kind of like what range you're making. Obviously, I don't expect you to share too private details on a public forum like YouTube. But kind of like what are you paying? What have you seen people get paid in an affiliate space? And then two, like what do you wish was better for affiliate managers, right? I think affiliate managers get a discredit sometimes. People don't want to work with them. They want to work with the offer owner. But really an affiliate manager should be armed with all this and be a real asset to not just you, but the affiliates they're working with. So trust was helpful for y'all. Let me know what questions you have about this. It's an important topic that people don't cover enough. And last plug here is for Amber Spears and Alona Ruditsky over at East Fifth Avenue. They're a great asset for training affiliate managers or learning the affiliate space at a deeper level. You can check them out at eastfifthavenue.com. Check out Traffic Tribe of theirs, which is a great way where they train affiliates, managers in the space and really raise the bar for the whole industry. Can't recommend them enough. We'll include a link below for you to go check them out too. Cheers. Happy scalers.